Namaskar. India Meteorological Department welcomes you in its daily weather briefing. So, in today's daily weather briefing, we will look into today's synoptic systems and their forecast for next 5 days, and then we will look into the monsoon activity over the country during past 24 hours, and then we will look into the weather warning over the entire country during next 5 days. So, first of all, let us see the synoptic systems over the country. As we can see that the monsoon trough today is passing to the north of its normal position, and this is passing through Amritsar, Patiala, then Bareilly, then Gorakhpur and Patna, and then Cooch Behar, and from Cooch Behar northeastwards to Arunachal Pradesh. And there is a cyclonic circulation over Bihar and adjoining East Uttar Pradesh extending up to 3.1 kilometer above mean sea level, and a trough is extending from this Saisar to West Central Bay of Bengal across Jharkhand and Odisha, and this trough is extending up to 3.1 kilometer above mean sea level. And concerned satellite picture, we can see there is intense to very intense convection over Bihar and adjoining East UP under the influence of this Saisar, and there is convection over sub-Himalayan West Bengal and over this Gangetic West Bengal area and over the southwest Bay of Bengal and adjoining West Central Bay of Bengal. So this Saisar over Bihar and East UP is very likely to become less marked by 14th of August, and also this uh, the a cyclone, this monsoon trough which is passing to the north of its normal position is likely to, the eastern end of this monsoon trough is likely to shift southwards by around 15th of August under the influence of formation of a likely formation of a cyclonic circulation over West Central Bay and adjoining Northwest Bay. And also when this cyclonic circulation its likelihood formation likelihood by 15th August, and also there is a low probability of formation of a feeble low pressure area during subsequent 48 hours, that is around 17th of August. So in the wake of all these synoptic system, we will look into the weather warning during next 5 days. But first we will see the weather activity, the rainfall activity over the country during past 24 hours. So Mohsin Ram of Meghalaya has experienced 27 centimeter of rainfall. That is extremely heavy rainfall, and very heavy rainfall has been observed over East UP and Bihar. Patti, that is Pratapgarh district of East UP, has reported 20 centimeter rainfall, and Baksa Dor of this Bihar has reported 17 centimeter rainfall. Except this, sub-Himalayan West Bengal has also reported very heavy rainfall, and heavy rainfall has been reported over Andaman Nicobar, Arunachal Pradesh, Odisha, and South interior Karnataka. And accordingly, the monsoon has remained active over Assam and Meghalaya, sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim, Bihar, and East Uttar Pradesh. And the monsoon has remained normal over Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, and Tripura, coastal and south interior Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, and Andaman and Nicobar Island. Over rest parts of the country, as we can see that there is a red color over the entire country, the weak monsoon conditions has prevailed, and in the forecast period we can see that this weak monsoon conditions are very likely to maintain except over this northeast peninsular India and adjoining East India, and also over this northeast India. And rest parts of the country, that is this Maharashtra, Gujarat, over this Rajasthan, West Madhya Pradesh, Haryana, Punjab, West UP, and this Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, these all subdivisions are very likely to continue to experience weak monsoon conditions during next 5 days. So now we will come to the weather warning during next 5 days. So as we have seen that there is a cyclonic circulation extending up to 3.1 kilometer above mean sea level of Bihar and adjoining East UP. So under the influence of this Saisar, heavy to very heavy rainfall at isolated places is very likely, and fairly widespread to widespread rainfall, light to moderate rainfall is very likely over Bihar and East UP during next 24 hours. After that, as this Saisar will become weak and become less marked by 14th of August, So on 13th, isolated heavy rainfall with fairly widespread to widespread rainfall, light to moderate rainfall over Bihar and East UP is likely to continue. And on 14th of August, this rainfall activity will further reduce over Bihar and East UP, although this isolated heavy rainfall probability will continue over this region up to 14th. And then, under the influence of strong lower level southwesterly winds, this Northeast India is very likely to continue to experience. As we have seen, Meghalaya has today experienced 27 centimeter rainfall. So this Northeast India is very likely to continue to report heavy to very heavy rainfall during next 3 days. And after 3 days, that is from 15th, this rainfall activity is likely to reduce, and on 16th of August there is no heavy rainfall probability over Northeast India. And if we come date wise, then Assam and Meghalaya and sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim are very likely to report, very likely to experience extremely heavy rainfall at isolated places during next 24 hours. And then on tomorrow, that is on 13th of August, this Assam and Meghalaya is again likely to continue to experience isolated extremely heavy rainfall. Although over Saminar and West Bengal, this extremely heavy rainfall probability is likely to reduce to isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall. And Arunachal Pradesh is very likely to experience isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall during next 3 days. For extremely heavy rainfall over these two subdivisions, we are maintaining orange color only, keeping the lower lesser impact of the rainfall over this region. And one other factor that Northeast India has already been experiencing uh, uh, our the rainfall less than normal rainfall during this monsoon season. Then, if we come over to this our this Western Himalayan region, then Uttarakhand, over Uttarakhand, isolated heavy rainfall probability is there from 14th on 14th and 15th of August, and this isolated heavy rainfall probability is there over Himachal Pradesh on 14th of August. And as we have just seen in the forecast of the synoptic systems, so by formation of a cyclonic circulation over West Central and adjoining Northwest Bay by 15th of August, the rainfall activity over this region over Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, coastal Andhra Pradesh, in fact, excluding this Rayalaseema, and Telangana and Vidarbha and Marathwada and Chhattisgarh and adjoining parts of East MP is very likely to increase from 15th of August. And that's why we are expecting isolated heavy rainfall over Odisha and coastal Andhra Pradesh on 15th of August, and over isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall on 16th of August over Odisha, and isolated heavy rainfall over coastal Andhra Pradesh. So during next 5 days, the main weather area will be our this Northeast India during next 3 days, and this East UP and Bihar during next 2 to 3 days. And then from day 4, that is from 15th of August, our main weather prone area would be our Odisha and Andhra Pradesh and adjoining parts of Chhattisgarh, Vidarbha, Marathwada, Telangana, and this region. From 15th of August, fairly widespread to widespread rainfall over this region, that is Northeast Peninsular India and adjoining East Central or East India, is very likely from 15th of August. Then it is very likely to increase further. And there is also low probability of formation of a low pressure area over West Central adjoining Northwest Bay of Bengal after 48 hours of formation of this cyclonic circulation over West Central and adjoining Northwest Bay of Bengal. And over rest parts of the country, that is, we can see that over this entire Western Himalayan region, except Uttarakhand, and then Punjab, Haryana, West UP, Rajasthan, Gujarat, West Madhya Pradesh, and then Maharashtra, and then entire Karnataka. The weather is very weak. Monsoon conditions are very likely to prevail during next 5 days, and only isolated to scattered rainfall, or we can say only isolated light rainfall probability is there over this entire region during next 5 days. So that's all for today, and tomorrow we will again meet with the Delhi weather briefing for next 5 days. Thank you and goodbye.